Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you're wondering how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell. Thank you for all your good comments you've been leaving. Today, Mr. Belle, he'll be doing something a little different in the Power XL Today, I'll be air frying some potatoes. Today, I just cut up my potatoes, just peeled it, cut it straight in half, and then just start slicing them. As you see like this is a different way of air frying them. So, and I dried them off and everything so they won't be so wet and everything. As you see, I just slice them, and I'm gonna air fry these today and see how they come out like this. Mr. Belle also have a video on French fries, air fried French fries. They came out very delicious and everything. So I was thinking I'm gonna have some air fried potatoes, just slice them up just like this, a different way, triangle way. So today my ingredients is these potatoes, and I'm gonna just spray them with a little olive oil, and I'm just gonna eyeball some of this black pepper and some of this salt, and I'll be putting it on it after I spray it with the olive oil. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to set up this Power XL. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put the food in first, and then I'm going to set the Power XL. That way you won't be hearing. I know some of you don't like to hear that beep, beep, beep. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put these potatoes in just like this. Spread them in there all over and everything. Just like that. And so next, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to spray it. Spray them. I don't have to spray the Power XL, just spray it on top. Like that. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little black pepper, and I'm just going to put a little black pepper on it just like that. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to set the camera close so you can see I'm doing it and everything. You know, Mr. Belle like to take you step by step. So I'm gonna put it like that. And then I'm gonna put a little salt. Like I say, I eyeball the salt. Just get a little, just like that. Just eyeball little and put it on like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close it, and I'm going to put my camera a little bit closer so you can see. So what I'm going to do now, as you see the potatoes in and everything, I'm going to turn this on air fry. Hit the button. I'm going to set the temperature for 375. It's on it. And then I'm going to set this timer. The minutes is going to be like 45 minutes. Might not use all of it, but we're going to get these nice and brown. Hope they come out very delicious. And I'm going to press start. As you see, it's cooking. And Mr. Belle, we're going to wash up the dishes. While this is cooking, don't leave it for the spouse. Don't leave it for a friend. Don't leave it for your roommate, because they might not want nothing to eat. If you wash the dishes as you go, everyone can enjoy the food. Okay, been about 8 minutes. We're gonna take a sneak peek and see how they're coming out. They look like they're coming out pretty good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sit this top down and let it just finish before I move it around. Sit it down. Okay, we're gonna take a little peep at it and see how this is coming out and everything. As you see, they're coming out nice, good, and brown and everything. I'm gonna just stir these up and get them nice and good, just like this. So every last one of them could be nice and good. Just stir it up like that. So everything could be nice and brown. These right here are gonna be some nice, good, delicious potatoes. And I'm gonna put the top back down, let it finish cooking. Okay, we're gonna take a peek at it and see how it's looking. It's looking good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press cancel, because these are done. As you see, they are done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take them out and put them in a plate and everything, and just leave them just like that. Take them out. Okay, these right here are your air fried potatoes. As you see, they came out nice and good and everything. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you don't know how to subscribe, just all you have to do, ding, hit that bell. You subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for watching.